In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix age restriction here on X, aka Twitter. Before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But sometimes when you are scrolling on X or Twitter, you may come across a post or profile that is age restricted. And when you do end up tapping on it, you'll see a message that pretty much says that that content is hidden. To actually view it, you'll need to be 18 years or older. Now, you can do two things in order to do this. Firstly, you're able to tap show in the bottom right corner, and it's going to open up the age verification process. Or you can go down into your settings. From your settings, go into security and account access, and then go into security, and you'll see an ID verification option right here. If you select on this little arrow, you'll be prompted to send in your ID to verify your age. Now, if you don't want to send in your ID, you are able to take selfie or have a selfie and an ID present. Obviously, the easiest method is just that fast selfie. Just make sure you are in good lighting and you just got to line your face up in the frame and then tab use photo in the bottom right. And after doing that, hit continue. And if the ID verification is successful, your age is going to be confirmed and you'll now be able to view restricted content. If it fails, don't worry. You can just simply try again or switch to the second option. Just keep in mind that that second option, which is that selfie with that ID, may take a little bit longer, but it is obviously more reliable since it does compare your photo with your ID. But that's it. Once verified, that restriction is going to be lifted on your account. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.